Hey guys, I just wanted to talk about something related to twin flames. It's because you guys who are twin flames, you will know that, well, you will eventually know for those who are new to the journey, or, in some way, you will know that union requires a sort of physical and a spiritual aspect. Not necessarily saying that both have to be, at the same time, because you can experience one or the other at different points. But I want to talk about the spiritual union because many have gone into that. Many have united with their twin, whether it be the second time, third time, no matter what, or the first time. They united with their counterpart, and I would tell you all the ways you would know you unified pertaining to with your twin, or if you have guides, you will know when you unify with them, or when you come into that form of contact with your twin through telepathy or any form of communication. That's your way of unifying. But yeah, the signs that you will go through the periods of where you will work on yourself and you will better yourself first, and feminines have that aspect where they work on the spiritual while learning to love themselves more and stuff like that to go further, and the masculines vice versa. And the masculines, they will come in. They will come in over. I don't know if it'll come in different times. I don't know, but you will get your message when you will be guided towards communicating with them through whichever form that guidance is telling you to communicate with them. You'll have your signs no matter what. And trust your signs. Always trust them. I go by threes pertaining to some signs in certain ways, but now I just go with whether the synchronicity comes in at a certain period, or what my guide tells me, the universe, or dreams, and it's a continuous message I'll get. Anyways, yeah, when you come to that form of union with the twin flame, you will, the feeling you'll get, it will be this, the feminines, I don't know if everyone will go through this, but you will have the opening of the heart chakra. It will open and you will feel it open. It will be this physical sensation that's opening, and it's like a very holy, euphoric feeling. And you actually also have it in your sacral, and it will open up and you will feel the energy flow through it. And you possibly will be doing this at the same time as you're hearing your masculine. And it will be like this, unison feeling you both will be feeling. You both will be conjoining in a way in the spiritual, because, you connect and then you gradually grow. And over periods of time, as you two are doing that, the connection will continue to grow. You both will work on each other, learn about each other. The masculine will also be helping you in a way as you're helping him. Or them, sorry. Masculine can be feminine or men. A woman or man. You will be helping them as well as they are helping you. And you both will, experience this journey together in the spiritual. You will be learning new abilities. You will be developing old abilities, or, current abilities. And you will experience very vivid visions and dreams, and just many things will be very vivid. It'll be powerful in a way because you guys are in a unison in the spiritual. And your connection, you will be able to connect to the spiritual. And I don't know how to necessarily explain this to people, but you will have it's a physical, spiritual connection you'll get. I don't know how to explain it, but you'll be able to physically touch your masculine or feminine in this spiritual aspect type of world. Like you both went there and, had the physical, some form of physical contact with each other. You will have that, you'll be able to do that, and it'll be just as, I don't know, you'll see if you do it, whenever you experience it. And just know that, that's a form of union in the spiritual that you both are doing, because you both are learning of each other and you're developing and, developing telepathy. It takes a little bit to continue to get through telepathy. You get the attacks going. You got to work through those. So just know that, like, if you are leading towards that form of union, whether it be spiritual or physical, you will have certain symptoms and signs and synchronicity to show you, to inform you about it. And the spiritual, I don't know if you do that first or not. Don't quote me, because I'm on my own separate journey. I'm just giving off experience with what I've learned. You will just you'll grow in a way. You'll grow and you'll start to be able to work your abilities differently. You'll see that your abilities are working differently. You will hear telepathy differently. Your clairaudience will probably enhance. Your visions will enhance. And then you'll go through, certain more cycles. And cycles will start to clear and end. And cycles pertaining to your twin will start to end and clear. It's just, you'll know what you're doing. Or when you get there, you'll know. So just trust it. And, yeah, just go with the flow. Unions, and then there'll probably be a separation period where you both need to do it separately again. Just know that it's sort of mandatory in a way. Not mandatory, but the universe has a ways of letting us figure things out on our own as well as together, whether it be in any form of relationship. So just always trust it. Because you're one person. You're not like, you're one no matter what with everyone, but you're going on an individual path solo until you both unite. And just trust it. Stay with your guidance. Sending love to you guys, and you guys take care.